Hey there, gamers. Are you looking for the ultimate gaming desktop that will take your gaming experience to the next level? Well, look no further because I have the perfect solution for you. The MSI Aegis ZS Gaming Desktop. This powerhouse of a gaming desktop is packed with all the latest and greatest hardware to ensure that you have the smoothest and most immersive gaming experience possible. With an AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, 16GB of DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 1TB SSD, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gameplay. But that's not all. The MSI Aegis ZS Gaming Desktop also features RGB fan cooling to keep your system running cool and quiet, Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed connectivity, and it even comes with a keyboard and mouse, so you can jump right into the action. Not only is this gaming desktop a powerhouse, but it's also DE-friendly, so you can easily upgrade and customize it to your heart's content. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll have access to the latest features and technology for the best gaming experience possible. So what are you waiting for? Level up your gaming setup with the MSI Aegis ZS Gaming Desktop today. Click the link in the description to get yours now and take your gaming to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your gaming experience.